What's up guys, it's Damir from Bag Riders, and today I'm going to be showing you the best way to set up your air suspension presets. Let's jump into it. One of your final steps of your air suspension install is to set your presets. When setting 3 or more presets, it can be a tedious task, especially when making small adjustments using the controller, requiring you to jump in and out of the car to check your ride height. Although there's nothing wrong with going back and forth to check your ride height, there is a better way. Most managements today come with a free mobile app. This is the best way to set up your presets. It can also be beneficial when your car is on an alignment rack. We recommend walking around your vehicle with your phone, adjusting each corner individually, and then using a tape measure to dial in your ride height presets. We typically measure from the hub to the fender. However, some people choose to measure from the floor to the fender. Regardless of which option you choose, stay consistent around all 4 corners. So head on over to your mobile app store to download the corresponding app for your air management system. And as always, if you have any questions, contact our friendly staff at sales@bagriders.com and hop on over to our website, bagriders.com, your one-stop drop shop for all of your air suspension needs. Damir out.